Every man is a male, but not every male is a man. You see, being male doesn't make you special. That's something you're born with. And we're living in a time now, you don't even have to be born a male. You can do a surgery and become a male. In fact, you don't even have to do a surgery. You can just feel that you're a male, and you will be respected and legally dealt with as a male. But a man, no, that's not something you're given. That's not something you're born with. That's something that you become. You have to earn that. Being a man, there are choices you have to make, responsibilities that you have to take on. There's a criteria that needs to be met. And who sets this criteria? Me? You? Society? The entertainment industry? Thugs on the streets? Or is it Allah Jalla Jalalu, the creator of both the male and the man? He sets the criteria of what you need to do in order to become a man.